Welcome to Swing Smart, Prevent Back Pain in Golf. In this video, we'll explore simple tips for golfers to stay pain-free, allowing you to play longer, swing better, and hurt less. We will cover why golfers experience back pain and provide simple strategies to stay pain-free. Our goal is to help you enjoy the game by minimizing discomfort and maximizing performance. Back pain in golf is often caused by repetitive rotational forces straining the lumbar spine. Poor mechanics amplify this stress. A weak core, combined with long hours of walking and carrying gear, also increases risk. Common causes of pain include over-rotation during the swing and incorrect posture. Tight hips and hamstrings limit motion, and heavy bags or long rounds can increase fatigue. To fix swing mechanics, maintain a neutral spine. Use your legs and hips to generate power. Keep a stable stance with feet shoulder-width apart and a slight knee bend. Ensure a smooth, full follow-through to avoid jarring the spine. An essential warm-up routine should include torso rotations and hip flexor stretches for 20 to 30 seconds per side. Incorporate dynamic exercises like leg swings and arm circles to increase blood flow and mobility. Strengthening your core is crucial for a safer, more efficient swing. Use planks for stability, Russian twists for rotational strength, and the bird dog exercise for lower back support. Your equipment matters. Get properly fitted club lengths and choose lighter clubs to reduce strain. Correct grip size prevents compensations, and using a lightweight bag or push cart is recommended. Flexibility is key for injury prevention. Focus on hamstring stretches to reduce lower back load and incorporate shoulder mobility work. Use foam rolling for hips, back, and legs, and perform the cat-cow stretch for spinal mobility. For a pain-free swing, focus on posture keys. A neutral spine with a hip hinge, even weight distribution, and an engaged core for stability. Avoid excessive forward or backward lean. When managing pain during play, apply heat before and ice after your round. Stretch between holes and use a cart if necessary. Most importantly, stop playing if pain becomes sharp or persistent. Are you ready to up your game with more simple golf tips? Subscribe to our channel for more content on improving your swing and staying healthy on the course.